What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at a synth called Syntronic by MULTIMEDIA. So let's jump right into this one. Okay, so this synth is actually free for the rest of the month. I believe it ends on December 30th. So if you want to grab it and you're seeing this in time, definitely get that now. All you have to do is make an account, and then you need to sign up for their newsletter. So it goes through right here, all the steps. This is right on their front page here. So when you go, just go to ikmultimedia.com and you'll see this Syntronic Memory V for free. And then just follow these instructions right here. You're going to make your account, sign up for the newsletter, and then it'll guide you through how to download it and install it. So it's free until the 30th. All right, and as a quick little announcement before we jump in, I'm going to be dropping my new drum kit on Christmas, so if you want a chance to win that for free, leave a comment on this video, and I'm going to be picking someone at random on this video to win that. Also, if you like this template that I got going on right now, this template's going to be included for free in there as well. So let's take a look at Syntronic. Okay, so this is Syntronic, and as you can see, there's a lot going on. You have different monologue synthesizers that you are emulating here using all of these. And you can go through the different categories and the different sections, and all you got to do to play one is double click on it and it's going to load it in. Let's make sure I'm armed really quick. Okay. So in the description it said this synth kind of emulates a Moog type of sound, so you can expect a lot of like really good basses in here, as well as some other stuff, as you can see as well. So as you can see, there's a lot of different instruments that you're seeing here on the sides, and all these are going to have little different presets built into them that you can find. So then you can go through your filters over here and you can figure out which ones that you want to see. And we can even go into like a strings type of deal. Alright, so I'm going to start to pick out a couple of instruments here, and then we're going to start building out this melody. Alright, let's use this organ. Alright, that's a cool bass line, so let's build some top notes to go with this. I want these notes to be a little quieter, so I'm just going to bring them all down a little. Oh, wait. Let's add some effects to this now. Alright, let's see what other kind of instrument we can find now. Alright, let's try out the J60 strings. I might even just layer this together, so let's see how this sounds first. What I might do is raise everything up one more octave. I think these notes are too high. Alright, let's find a little counter melody now that we compare with these ones. Sounds really cool, actually. Alright, I think I found the frequency that kind of hurts a little bit, so now let's kind of chop that out. And I might chop out some of the highs, just to kind of mellow it out just a little more. Alright, that sounds a lot better. I forgot to EQ the strings, so let's go and do that really quick. Take out some of the highs in this as well. This is more just filler to go with the organ. I'm also going to put the mellow my harsh effect on this one. I'm going to put on Warm Keys cassette for the organ. Now let's get them all in the stereo field really quick correctly. Put this one like 1.6. Might put the strings just a little bit in front of that. So 1.7 for the strings. And the lead I'm going to put all the way up in the front. Right around 2. Alright, so let's mix them all together now. We'll leave this one the loudest. It's our main one. Let's try this really quick. You could move your bass notes in different spots if you like. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up the tutorial on Syntronic, and like I said, it's free until December 30th, so go grab that. You just got to make an account for free and then sign up for their newsletter, and then you're going to have access to it for free, and there's quite a few different good presets in there that you have to choose from and play with. So if you also want a chance to win my new drum kit, which is going to be coming out on Christmas Day, go ahead and drop a comment on this video, and you're going to enter yourself in a raffle to win one for free. I'll be picking someone at random. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we're uploading daily videos that you're not going to want to miss out on. But besides that, thank you guys for watching all the way to end, and I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Peace out.